Hey you guys, today we're going to be unboxing our Tribe beauty box. Now this one is a bi-monthly beauty box. It does come about every 2 months, I want to say. This is my second box that I am going to be unboxing from Tribe Beauty Box. I've had this subscription now just for a couple of months. I do know that it costs somewhere around $34 or $35, but keep in mind it does sound a little bit steep, but that is an every other month box. So I will have all of the details down below all about it, because honestly, like, this is my second box that I've gotten, so I don't know too much like in-depth knowledge about it and all that stuff, but anything that I can you know, input down below like I do with other my subscription boxes, I'll have it down below. And let's just get diving right into this. Last month we got the balm, we got like a trio set, and we also got a beauty blender. And I remember those two being like the highlight of that box, and I was like so impressed with it. So I wanted to hold it out again for another month. I know that some of you guys had either heard about it or you really hadn't heard about it, but you guys wanted to see me do a few more of these before you made your decision. So I decided last month I was going to hold on to it. Why am I rambling? Sorry. Let's move in. So the first thing I have here is by Wander Beauty. This is the Dive In Moisturizer, and this retails for $36. It is a lightweight and non-greasy gel cream texture that absorbs quickly and works well with makeup for a beautiful complexion. This is awesome. I do like Wander Beauty products. Like, I really love their makeup and stuff, so I'm excited to dive into that. The next thing I have is by Dr. Botanicals, and this here is a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. This is limited edition. It's infused with vitamins, essential oils, and botanical extracts for brighter, more even skin tone. I am all for that. Ooh, this packaging, how cute. This is by LA Splash Cosmetics, and it is the Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. Ooh, you had me at lip gloss. And this is Afriel, is the shade that I received, and this retails for $18. So here is the lip gloss, and then on the top it's got like a little crown. Does this not remind you of the Jeffree Star lip glosses? For a second there I was like, ooh. It smells like lip gloss. It doesn't smell anything great. So that is what the shade is. Very, very pale, pale pink. So for me, I would definitely have to blend this in with something because I couldn't use this all by itself. I just love the packaging. I will say the packaging is cute. But then again, when I saw Jeffree Star's packaging too, I was like, oh, it's so beautiful. Have you guys seen the new Jawbreaker palettes? Like, let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on it. But he just released them, like pictures of them not very long ago, and I was like, wow, those are gorgeous. So we're also getting a set of 4 brushes. It looks like these are from Crown Brush. The first one you have is like a groomer where you can like kind of groom out your brows or your lashes. And then I have this one, which is kind of like a thicker angled brush, which to me would be perfect to blend out like nose contour if you guys like to do that. Or you can just kind of do the placement on the outer corner and it will kind of help you create that smoky eyed effect. I personally don't use these for the eyes. I use this more to like chisel out my nose, so I would use that. And then you're gonna get like a flat shader brush, which is actually small enough and perfect for the lower lash line. This one here is the Oval Smudger. And then the last one you're going to get is the Chisel Fluff, which is a perfect brush for kind of creating a nice deep crease. All right, and then the last thing I have here, look at how beautiful. If this is purple or it has any sort of purple in it, you guys know I'm gonna freak out. But this here is by the company IBY Beauty, which I actually just received some PR stuff from them, and I still haven't dove into it. I've heard of them. I've also seen them in other subscription boxes. I want to say Ipsy. I'm definitely digging this like holographic packaging right here. It says that it is inspired by the spectacular sights and sounds of music festivals, and this palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented blendable shades, and it's also infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. There is a nice, ooh, that's really pretty. There is a nice mix of mattes and shimmers in here, which is really great to see. So this is definitely a palette that I can just dive into all by itself. I don't need any added palettes. I really like this color. It's like a really soft peach shade. I really like that shade. That's so weird. I was gonna say, you can't have this palette and not have a purple in it. This is really pretty also. These are really soft. What a really pretty palette. I can definitely feel how soft and buttery and creamy these shadows are. Like, I totally can see that. So you've got 1, 2, 3 mattes, 4 matte, 5. This one I would call a matte. It does have little sparkles of glitter in it, but I think once you actually take it off, it'd be like a matte shadow that you can work with. And then the rest of them are all some sort of metallic finish. But look at that green right there. Yeah, I'm totally digging that. So that palette there retails for $20. And then that is everything. So you've got eyeshadow, brushes, lip gloss, face moisturizer, and you get a like a oil for your face. So I'm gonna try it one more month and see how it works, and then I'll definitely let you guys know my opinions on it. But let me know down below if you guys have tried Tribe Beauty Box. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys are new. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I talk to you guys later. Bye.